So, today, I've got quite the unboxing. I'm very excited for this. This one is not a rep. No reps today. This is a retail pair of shoes from Maniere's own website. Not from sneakers. As you can see here, it's your regular Jordan 1 box. I got the Maniere Jordan 1's. It's got this plastic cover on top of the regular cardboard box, just like the Travis Scott Fragment Jordans. I feel like it fits this one much better. I like how the logos are in that pattern. The box is a flat cream color with that brown red. The top and bottom side, it's got the Wings logo with Maniere text. This side has got Maniere and this text about the Nike swoosh. And on the tag side here, it's got the regular Jordan tag, the barcode, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, Sale Burgundy Crush. Been really anticipated unboxing this one. Before I get to the actual shoes though, it's got some more details on the underside. Maniere and Jordan and whatnot. And it's got this string of text on the edge of the box. Open up, the paper's got the logos just like the plastic cover. And finally take the shoes out of the box. Inside of the box, we have a YCM sticker, along with another string of text. Now, finally, we'll actually get into the shoes themselves. Here's the lateral. The right shoe has got this leather hang tag. It is the same crackled leather as the white upper, but it's in the burgundy, maroon, bordeaux, whatever it's called. The same red as the accent color. It's got embossed on one side the Maniere logo, and debossed on the other is the Jordan Wings. I really like that. It looks like it's suede or nubuck, but it's really not. It's a very finely crackled leather. You can see up close. See how it is crackled leather. It even almost feels like it's a very rough suede, but it's not. It's actually leather. The same materials all over the whole upper heel, upper side panel, toe box, everything. On the inside, on the insole, it's got like a patch. It's embroidered in there, and it's got a little size tag thing there. This is the little size tag on the side there. And I love this detail inside of the ankle collar is like quilted. Almost, it feels very soft. Love that. On the ankle collar and the swoosh, it's got this snakeskin type of material. It's like made out of leather, and it's supposed to look like snakeskin. And it's on the swoosh here and wraps all the way around. The other shoe is pretty much the same, except instead of a hang tag, it's got this bag of laces. It definitely matches the sole and not the leather upper. On the inside of the ankle collar, it has this text and signature. Neat detail. And it's not stitched down. The only one I can compare it to is the off-white Jordan 1's with the not stitched down ankle collar. The laces have a waxy coating. They're kind of shiny, and the aglets are covered in metal, just like the Sean Witherspoons. The sole squeeze test. Here I have a budget pair of Jordans, and you can see the sole bends a fair bit. But these ones do not budge at all.